Here we go. Here.
I think you're pretty incredible too, but you already knew that.
Don't kiss, please don't kiss, please don't kiss, please don't.
I should probably try to get some sleep.
Me too. Good night.
Thank you, Monica. Thank you. You are still a decent person. Thank you. Thank you, Brian. Okay. Oh, past that. Woo. Oh, dang. Is that Psychon?
I don't see any mecha tanks either.
Do they have submarines? Oh, crap. Ah.
Something's not right.
Yes. Dang it. It's a trap. Couldn't resist, sorry. You can't freaking end there. Please don't die, John.
Message. Commander Boomy, 2nd Division of the United States.
We're gonna get to see Boomy.
Yes.
Are there other prisoners on the island?
No. I'm the only one.
And what makes you so special?
I'm Amon's brother.
What the hell? Dang it, Afro Circus! Really? Well, I did not expect that to be canon. Oh my goodness, that makes so much sense. And so the visions, they relate to Amon and the Revolution?
Go ahead.
Amon is Tarlok's brother.
I knew it.
I didn't expect that. That was like a crack theory. I didn't think it would actually be real.
And he's a cyborg.
Oh, he's not a cyborg.
It all began with my father.
He has no face.
What? No! No!
Oh, gone away. We saw them.
You're the weakest lieutenant though.
Lieutenant.
You're so weak.
Dang it. Lieutenant's last stand.
Me say, oh, well,
You served me well, Lieutenant.
always getting killed.
Did he just... Oh. Who would have thunk? Yes!
I can airbend?
Heck yes you can.
It will be just like the good old days.
What the hell? Did he just kill themselves? Did they...
By accident.
Did Tarlok just kill both of them? Dang, this show is dark.
For battle.
I didn't see that coming.
And now, when their city is under siege,
What about the Equalists?
is in the hands of
They're gonna wrap up everything in 6 minutes. But Tarlok and Amon are dead. Tarlok blew them up. What the heck? He... Oh my goodness. He killed both of them on a kid's show. Little kids just watched him blow them up.
The cyborg.
This is not a kid's show, Nick. I don't know what you're saying.
Oh,
I realized I love you, Cora.
What the heck?
I can't.
Cora!
Not now, Tenzin. I just
Hey.
want to be left alone.
But you called me here. connected with your spiritual self. I am so proud of you, Avatar Khan.